Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A modern living room is a reflection of contemporary design principles, combining sleek aesthetics, clean lines, and functionality to create a stylish and inviting space. It embraces simplicity, minimalism, and a sense of openness, allowing for a seamless flow and a clutter-free environment. A well-designed modern living room embodies both comfort and sophistication, providing a versatile space for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing. The key element in a modern living room is the furniture, which is characterized by its sleek and streamlined design. Straight lines, geometric shapes, and minimal ornamentation are common features. Sofas and chairs often have low profiles and are upholstered in neutral or bold colors, adding a touch of visual interest. Modular or sectional furniture provides flexibility in arranging seating areas to suit different needs and spatial constraints. A focal point in a modern living room can be created through the use of statement pieces, such as a bold artwork, a designer light fixture, or a unique piece of furniture. These elements add visual interest and become conversation starters. The focal point draws the eye and anchors the room, serving as a centerpiece for the overall design. Color palette in a modern living room tends to be neutral and monochromatic, with pops of vibrant colors used as accents. White, gray, and black are often used as base colors to create a clean and sophisticated backdrop. Bold and vibrant hues, such as teal, yellow, or red, can be incorporated through accessories, accent walls, or decorative elements to add personality and visual impact. Lighting plays a crucial role in a modern living room, both in terms of functionality and design. Natural light is maximized through the use of large windows, skylights, or glass doors, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Artificial lighting is layered to provide both ambient and task lighting. Recessed lighting, track lighting, and pendant lights with sleek designs illuminate the space and enhance the modern aesthetic. In a modern living room, technology integration is often a priority. Built-in entertainment systems, audiovisual components, and smart home features can be seamlessly integrated into the design. Hidden wiring, wireless charging stations, and ample outlets cater to the needs of modern devices and ensure a clutter-free environment. Flooring options for a modern living room include hardwood, laminate, or polished concrete, adding a touch of elegance and easy maintenance. Rugs or carpets can be used to define seating areas, add warmth, and provide visual interest. Materials such as glass, metal, and reflective surfaces can be incorporated in furniture, lighting fixtures, or accessories to enhance the modern aesthetic and create a sense of sophistication. Decorative elements in a modern living room are carefully chosen to maintain a sense of simplicity and balance. Artwork with abstract or geometric designs, sculptural pieces, and textured wall panels can add visual interest. Minimalistic shelving or display units can showcase curated collections or decorative objects, keeping the space organized and visually pleasing. In conclusion, a modern living room embodies contemporary design principles of simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics. With its sleek lines, clean finishes, and minimalist approach, it offers a versatile space for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing. The furniture, color palette, lighting, and decorative elements work harmoniously to create a stylish and inviting environment. A well-designed modern living room embraces both comfort and sophistication, reflecting the lifestyle and personality of its occupants. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!